I'm Tyler Needles. I'm the HyperX Audio Business Manager. We're based in Fountain Valley, California, and we're here at PAX Australia 2017, showing off our latest and greatest HyperX peripheral range.
Right, so if you can tell us about the Cloud Alpha, this is obviously your newest headset?
Yeah, so the Cloud Alpha is an evolution of our Cloud headset product family. So you might be familiar with our Cloud Stinger, our Cloud, or our Cloud 2 product lines. We've had those out for a few years. They're selling great. We're really happy with them. But we want to keep pushing the boundary and keep giving our fans and our communities great products. So with the HyperX Cloud Alpha, we designed a custom type of dual chamber driver. What that means is inside the speaker is actually 2 different chambers, and that enables us to tune the bass from the mids and high frequencies. What that means is that you're going to get a really punchy, really clean bass, but also really clear mids and highs. So that's a technology that no one else has on the market, only HyperX has, and you can only find on our HyperX Cloud Alpha. We also made a few other key refinements to the product, all based on end user feedback. So we actually went on YouTube, Twitter, Reddit, Facebook. We asked social media teams. We brought in our esports teams to our offices. We asked them, what improvements can we make on the product? So besides the sound, improving the bass where they wanted that, they also said it'd be great if we could add detachable cables. So now we've made the cables detachable.
Yeah, that is a godsend too for those people, and I'm sure most of the gamers here have done it before. Forget to stand up, take them off or something, stand up away from your computer. I actually notice on the Cloud Stingers that I use at home, there's a splitter point in the cable that has saved me from ripping a cable out of the headset so many times in the past. It is amazing. I love that as a feature. With speaking of long-term wear, obviously we do a lot of simulation here on MagzTV. Comfort on the headset.
Yeah, so I mean, from the start, when we made our first HyperX Cloud in April of 2014, when we were figuring out how we were going to go into this market and what products we were going to sell and how we were going to differentiate, what we found was we tried a lot of different headsets that were good in different ways, but none of them were really comfortable. And if you talk to gamers, they're like, we wear these things for 4, 6, 8 hours a day. They'll sacrifice other features like RGB and lighting and 7.1 surround sound for just a really comfortable headset. So we basically took some really plush, really dense, high quality memory foam, things that you would normally find in a $300 headset, and we brought those to something much more approachable with the Cloud and the Cloud 2 series. So with the Alpha, we've gone ahead and made the memory foam even more comfortable with something we call HyperX Signature Memory Foam, which is very dense, very breathable, but still very comfortable as well. And so in all of our headsets, whether it's our Cloud Stinger, our Cloud 2, or our Revolver, or the Cloud Alpha, we're always going to be focusing on comfort first and foremost. We also try and make them very durable, so it has an aluminum frame, so it'll withstand if you get rage quit and you get really upset, it'll still keep working. But also great sound quality and just a lot of features for what you're paying for the product.
I noticed with the comfort side of thing, I spend hours flying in flight sims, so 6, 7 hours in a row, VR on, track IR on, never bothered me with the HyperX range. Awesome. Last thing to actually bring up with it is obviously the microphone, because the microphone on these integrated headsets can often be a little bit spotty here and there. Yeah. How's that on the Cloud Alpha?
Yeah, so we were always trying to fine-tune the microphones, and we never really get them to as good as we want them to be, but we always try and improve with each product iteration that we have, and we rely on a large focus group of esports gamers, influencers, and that we sponsor to give us feedback. So what they're really looking for is a lot of background noise isolation, so that if there's things happening behind you, that a lot of that's being blocked out, and that you're hopefully just communicating very clearly with your community and whoever you're playing games with. So each microphone for each product we sell is an improvement from the last one, but we're constantly striving to make our microphones the best in class.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for this interview. Thank you. Looking forward to seeing more of the HyperX range available.
Thank you, yeah.